How to clear cache on Snapchat. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to clear cache on Snapchat. Now let's get started. First we need to open our Snapchat app. Then we should tap on the profile icon at the top left corner. Here we need to tap on the settings at the top right corner. And then we should scroll down and find Account Actions. Here we need to find option Clear Cache and tap on it. In appearing message, just click Clear if you want to clear your Snapchat cache. And just wait. And then tap OK. That's all. It was how to clear cache on Snapchat. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.